Hey guys, so now I'm gonna be making fidget videos for the rest of my YouTube channel. And as you can see, my YouTube channel name is The Fidget Boy. So yeah, let me put the camera up like this. So now we're gonna be doing some fidgets. If you can hear that, then you'll probably, yeah, I'll show that last. So first, I'm gonna start off with my bouncy ball. And I'm not sure if this is a fidget. I asked someone and they said yes, but I'm not sure. Like, it's a bouncy ball. How do you fidget with it? Just, no, okay. So preview, I'm gonna bounce it onto you guys and I'll catch it back. Oops. Well, yeah, that didn't work. Hold up. Here. See? Can you believe me now? So yeah, next fidget. Snapper. Yeah, so today I went to Pizza Emporium, and yeah, they were all sold out with fidgets, except 3. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the fidget I just bought today. Right, next I've got this Pop It. And yeah, now I'm gonna pop both sides. It's an Among Us one. You can take a good look at it. Or you can pause the video. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop the kind of soft side. So yeah, let's get started. Yep, and I got this off Not Socks. So if you heard that, that was the kind of soft side. Now we're going for the loud side. Alright, and thank you so patiently for waiting. So now, you might be guessing what that is. A DNA bowl. I'm pretty sure it is a DNA bowl. Yeah, it's one of these, but the net broke immediately. It was cheap. You know how much it was? It was $2.50. So yeah, listen to this ASMR. So yeah, that's my first video on fidgets. Well, my second because I did poppets. And yeah, I traded all 6 of my poppets. Yeah, I got more poppets. Sorry I can't show you guys. Yeah, so yeah, my favorite is this right now. I bought it today, $2.50, Pizza Emporium. And yeah, see you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Ava, Ace, you watching this? If you are, thanks for subscribing. I saw that I have 13 subscribers now. Thank you. Bye guys. Yeah.